Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share it to how you can shake your phone and then your phone going to be automatically turn on flashlight. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering maybe your friends and family whoever having this phone, whenever they going to shake their phone and their phone flashlight going to be turned on. It might be also you looking for how to enable it. This is really very interesting. You need to do maybe for some reason. So if you want to turn on this shake to flashlight notification, you need to click on your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you need to click here system. After click over system, you need to click here gestures. After click over gesture, we're going to find here something say fast flashlight. After click over there, we're going to turn this on. Now, if I'm in my phone, even if I'm in lock screen, if I'm going to shake it, my phone is going to be turn on flashlight. If I decide to turn off, again if I shake, that's going to be turn off flashlight. You can see this is really quite interesting. So within this way, you can easily enable flashlight notification or flashlight fast in your Lenovo K13. So within this way, you can easily enable flashlight fast in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.